Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from financial stress with Citibank, detailed guide step by step clearly. To recover from financial stress with Citibank, start by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all your financial statements, including bank accounts, credit card bills, and loans. Calculate your total income and expenses to understand your cash flow. Identify areas where you can cut unnecessary expenses. Use Citibank's budgeting tools available in their online banking portal. Create a realistic budget based on your new understanding of your finances. Consider reaching out to a Citibank financial advisor for personalized assistance. Explore any existing debt you may have and prioritize repayment. Look into consolidation options that Citibank may provide for easier management. Set specific, achievable goals for your financial recovery. Consider utilizing Citibank's credit counseling services for additional support. As you make progress, regularly review and adjust your budget as needed. Establish an emergency fund with at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. Take advantage of Citibank's online resources for financial education. Consider setting up automatic transfers to your savings account. Maintain open communication with creditors if you face any difficulties. Celebrate small successes along the way to stay motivated. Stay disciplined and consistent in your financial management. Remember, recovery from financial stress takes time and patience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.